Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Chocolate. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Chocolate. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Chocolate. If this your first time here, welcome. Today, I'm going to be bringing y'all a cook video. I am currently fasting, so As-Salamu, Alaykum, warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Any of my Muslim sisters and brothers out there, you can eat authentic and healthy. Even though we're fasting, we could still be healthy and eat the things we want. Right now, I really can't get Chinese food, so I always make authentic Chinese food at home for me and my family. So I want to show you guys how I do that. We're going to be making orange chicken and vegetable fried rice. Got about 2 hours in the head and I'm going to be eating all good. So stay tuned for this food. So for your ingredients, you will need chicken thighs, brown rice, broccoli here, green onion, chopped onions. I have some minced chopped fresh garlic. I have onions, ginger, have pepper, salt. You need cornstarch. Then you need some cut up green peppers. To clean your veggies, I use this organic wash to clean all of my vegetables and my fruits. Some sesame seeds, use some vinegar, white wine vinegar, honey, soy sauce, grapeseed oil, optional. You could get Asian style orange ginger sauce, or you can go to the store and get orange juice, or get your orange and some ginger. So to make your sauce if you want it freshly made from scratch. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking my chicken thighs. I took the bone out of them already, and I'm gonna be cutting them up into small little cubes or little pieces like chicken nugget pieces. I'm putting them in the bowl. And before I did this, I let my chicken sit in vinegar for like a good hour or so. And then so it could be nice and clean. So after this, I'm going to put this all in a bowl, get it ready for my cornstarch mix and eggs. Mix that in a bowl, really, really good. You want to mix it like this. I find it easier than to just drop it all on the chicken. Then I could just drop the chicken pieces right into here, which is just my batter, which we're going to fry it up. So yeah, now I'm going to take some salt and pepper. You don't need any other seasons really but salt and pepper because you're going to have a lot of stuff in the sauce for the seasoning. We're going to whip that right on up. So get ready to fry that thing. We're going to take our chicken and we're going to double fry it. Give it a nice crisp. Okay, so now we're going to take the pieces and fry them up. Make sure you break them up in the pan. This is my favorite pan, as you can see. And we're double frying, so you don't keep them in there for like a minute or two, and you're going to take them right out. We're just going to get them a little bit of fry because we're going to double fry it, put it right back in there, and fry everything up until it's nice and brown. Okay? Nice and brown, just like this. When it's golden, you know that you're nice and... So now I'm going to add the Asian style sauce, or you can add your own kind of sauce with your orange juice, a little zesty lemon, some wine, white wine, cooking wine, some honey, and we're going to mix that up like so, and going to add our chicken pieces in there, let it marinate, get it all in there nice and good, and stir that up. Yes, it should look so like this, so nice and good. It looks so good, guys. Now we're going to get ready to do our fried rice now. Now we're going to put our onions and peppers and our grapeseed oil in the pan, get that fried up. That's the only part you missed, that I already put that in the pan. And we're going to get that all heated up really, really, really hot to add 2 eggs in your wok pan. Make sure it's nice and hot. Scramble the egg, and you're going to mix that up. all together with your peppers and onions like so. Gonna add a little drop of grapeseed oil because we're gonna add our mixed vegetables, broccoli, and we're gonna soon be adding our rice, just like so. Brown rice I use, it's much healthier, than white rice. And we're gonna mix that on up. Gonna add some sesame seed oil and soy sauce. This is what I'm adding: soy sauce now and sesame seed. Mix that up like so. Yes, it smells so good, guys. This was so satisfying and it's fast. I added some more pepper and salt because I added all of that and it kind of took it down, the taste. So you want to add more. I couldn't really taste it because I was fasting. So I was doing everything by eye. So I really was like, oh, I hope I do good with this dish. Ooh, doesn't that look good? I added some green onion at the end, guys. Oh, and there we have it. Vegetable fried rice looks so good, doesn't it? Satisfying. Put some duck sauce on that, join. Top it with your chicken, and voila. Bon appetit. And there we have it. Orange chicken and vegetable fried rice made from scratch. Now I'm just going to add something pretty to make the dish look pretty. Sesame seeds and some more green onion. Just before I give it to Babe and the kids. Make the dish all pretty. It's feeling fancy today. There we have it. Orange chicken. You have your own Chinese food right at home. Very satisfying. Now I'm going to take some detox tea. Yes, CBD, ISO tea, mixed with the original ISO tea. We put 1 pack, so it's 2 packs in here. And this is before I eat my dinner. I fast all day today, so I didn't get to drink this in the morning right now before I eat my food. So. And today was a cheat day, by the way. Look at that. Black salt. Bismillah. Come back, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be doing plenty of videos. Cooking, I love to cook. Nice and good. Thank you so much for watching. And Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak. Everybody stay safe, stay inside, wash your hands.